move on to the next step. Okay, so in this step, we'll be setting up PHP, and uh, for setting up PHP, we need to make some modifications in PHP. So let's go to PHP's directory. It should be in PHP. Yeah, there it is. So let's edit this PHP file. Okay, now from here we need to make make three changes. Let's just control search controls, press F6 or Control W command to search for these lines. Max input underscore time. Not this one. Yeah, this one. So we change it to 30, and let's for the other one. Upload max file size. There you go. So it's 2 at the moment, 2 megs, which is extremely low for a file size, especially if you're migrating WordPress. You can edit it according to your file size preference. So I would like to do a 20. And last but not the least, post max size. So post max size is 8. Let me turn this into, change it into 21 max. So now we're done with the PHP modifications. You can also make other security measures here by changing other values. However, we're not going to dive into that in this guide. That's about it for PHP modifications.